Kiwis are a superfood, packing a lot of flavor. They are nutrient-dense and have many health benefits. Recent studies have linked eating kiwis to fighting DNA damage, boosting longevity and looking younger. They are high in vitamin C and vitamin E. In fact, a new version of vitamin E called δ-tocomonoenol was discovered in the edible kiwi fruit peel. The main form of vitamin E, α-tocopherol, is present in the flesh. They way outperform commercial apples, bananas and oranges because they contain exceptionally high amounts of vitamin C, E, K, folate, carotenoids, potassium, fibre, and phytochemicals. They increase HDL cholesterol, and decrease triglycerides, platelet aggregation, blood pressure and digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome. Kiwi supports immune function and reduce the incidence and severity of colds or flus. One kiwi has only 40 calories and 6 grams of natural sugar. Kiwis protect your cells from oxidation and free radical damage. Kiwis are a rich source of antioxidants and protect the body from oxidative and DNA damage. The first study linking kiwis to the protection and repair of DNA came out in 2001, but a further study in 2013 found that eating kiwis in any quantity can reduce DNA damage by 60%. Kiwis also increase the repair rate of DNA that has been damaged to get it back into shape. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C. One kiwi contains 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, twice that of an orange. The vitamin C content of green kiwi fruit is 93 mg and 161 mg for gold kiwis. Vitamin C is essential for a range of biological functions. Vitamin C is used for the biosynthesis of collagen, L-carnitine, catecholamine, neurotransmitters, and peptide hormones. High levels of vitamin C in kiwi fruit can improve iron bioavailability. Kiwis contain relatively high levels of vitamin E present in the flesh. A study by Fiorentino even identified a new form of vitamin E in kiwi fruit called δ-tocomonoenol, which was mainly in the peel. This new version of vitamin E adds to the radical scavenging and antioxidant capacity of kiwi fruit. Studies showed that the consumption of both green and gold kiwis increase overall plasma vitamin E concentrations. Kiwi fruit have a positive effect on digestion thanks to its high fiber content and a broad range of micronutrients. Many studies have shown positive effects upon constipation, GI symptoms, abdominal pain, indigestion, and reflux. Kiwis also contains an enzyme called actinidin, which helps to break down protein-rich foods. In conclusion, kiwis with their multiple health benefits should become part of our daily dozen routine. It's incredibly good for you and tastes great. Kiwis are a low-carb fruit with a good glycemic index of 50. The protective DNA properties of kiwi make it perfect for people who desire a long, healthy life. If you enjoyed this short video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more.